All students enrolled in a driver education program must present a temporary instructional permit, often referred to as a TIP, to the enrolled driver education provider prior to the administration of the knowledge test, behind-the-wheel instruction, and road skills testing. The student must have the TIP in their possession when operating a motor vehicle during the behind-the-wheel portion of instruction, when accompanied by a licensed driver education instructor, and during the administration of a road skills test. Upon completion of driver's education, the TIP will be surrendered to the OMV along with proof of completion of the driver's education course and any other necessary documents. There is no additional cost to convert the TIP to a learner's permit of a full license. Color and orientation will be different for licenses issued to residents under 21 years of age. The first stage of the graduated licensing program is the TIP and permit. At age 14, individuals are only eligible for classroom instruction. Students may participate in the classroom instruction if they are at a minimum, in the 8th grade and within 90 days of their 15th birthday. Students cannot participate in the behind-the-wheel training until the age of 15. At age 15, individuals are eligible for a learner's permit, which is a pre-licensing requirement. Individuals must successfully complete the 38-hour driver's education course, pass visual exam, and pass knowledge tests with OMV or driving school. For a driver's license with a restriction O2, individuals must be accompanied by a licensed parent, guardian, or adult at least 21 years old or licensed sibling at least age 18 years old. Must not use a cell phone while driving, including hands-free. And must complete at least 50 hours of supervised driving, 15 of those hours at night. The second stage of the graduated licensing program is the intermediate license. At age 16, individuals are eligible for intermediate license, which is a pre-licensing requirement. Individuals must possess learner's permit for a minimum of 180 days. Complete 50 hours of supervised driving, 15 of those hours at night. Pass road skills tests with OMV or driving school. A parent or legal guardian shall attest that the pre-licensing requirements have been met by providing a signed statement to OMV. The individual must not have any at-fault crashes, have no moving violations, or have any seat belt, curfew, drug, or alcohol law violations. The restriction 61 indicates that the driver is restricted driving between 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. unless with parent/guardian, licensed adult at least 21 years old, or licensed sibling 18 years or older. Unless accompanied by a licensed adult 21 years old or older, the team may not transport more than one passenger under age 21 and who is not an immediate family member, between the hours of 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. Drivers 17 years old and under are prohibited from using cell phones for talk and text, read, write, or send, unless for emergencies. Drivers shall ensure all passengers are properly seat-belted prior to placing vehicle in motion. The term intermediate will be depicted on the driver's license. The third stage of the graduated licensing program is obtaining the full license. Individuals age 17 or older are eligible for a Class C license if the individual completes requirements for intermediate license or complete 38-hour driver's education course and road skills test, does not have any at-fault crashes within a 12 consecutive month period, does not have any moving violations within a 12 consecutive month period, does not have a seat belt, curfew, drug or alcohol law violations within a 12 consecutive month period. Drivers 17 years old and under are prohibited from using cell phones from talk and text, read, write or send, unless for emergencies.